talk about Vox Training. Now, Vox is the #1 thing that has got a learning curve on the intercom. Everything else is really pretty darn self-explanatory. But there's two ends of the spectrum of the Vox setting. One is you start to lose words, and the other end of the spectrum is that the mic opens on its own. And what Vox is voice activated or voice operating exchange is what Vox stands for. But it is the intercom opening and closing the mic based upon the amount of environmental noise. And you adjust that sensitivity so it's just exactly right for what you want. So like right now I'm in a very quiet environment and the Vox is all the way down. You can hear it. That beep, that means it's at the bottom. If I go and turn this up, you see the lights on the Vox. If I turn this up, now when I talk, like words are going in and out because the Vox is too high and it needs a certain amount of decibel. My voice is not enough to open it up. Okay? So that's losing words. If that's happening, there's two things that you need to do. Number one, drop the Vox to the bottom. Okay, so if you can't hear yourself in your own speakers, that means that your Vox is too high, or it means that your microphone's too far from your mouth. So right now, I'm going to turn this up, and it's working fine, even though I turned it on. You can hear it shutting off. Okay, now, if I go like this, I pull this mic away from my mouth far enough, it doesn't open because it's too far. So you're missing words if it's that far away. So you push this nice and close, and I'm not changing the volume of my voice. The volume is the same, but it sounds like I'm yelling, but I'm not. Just as there's such a dramatic difference. So if you're losing words, number one really is adjust this mic until it's touching your lips. You're going to have to coach people on this, and you're going to have to coach yourself to do it, because we don't like to have it. We naturally have it out further, but it makes a massive difference. And the second thing is dropping it down to the floor. Okay, now I'm going to drive, and I'm going to show the other end of the spectrum on it. The intercom likes to have some noise, so the engine noise is actually really good for it. So we're going to go up here, and I've got it really low. You can hear it shutting off. Now I'm going to speed up. There, you hear it open? And I didn't talk. It's opening right now, so I can hear the engine noise. I don't like that. I turn it up, and it shuts off. There, you can hear it shutting off every time, and it only opens when I speak. Now, if I speed up some more, well, going around the corner. See, it's loud and it's opening. There. Open on its own right there, that's not good. So you adjust it up because the engine noise is opening it. So you have to hit the plus. There. It only opens when I talk, and when I stop talking, it shuts. So if it's opening when you're driving, you increase the amount of volume it takes to open it. If it's losing words, you decrease it, and you move the mic closer to your mouth. Now, one other thing I'll throw out to you, if your battery is running at less than 13 volts, you have a weak battery, it will also make you lose words. It's just like the Vox must take a decent amount of voltage to work. So if you're losing words and you've got it down to the bottom and your mic's close to your mouth, charge your battery.